block the roads, again, to those surrounding communities. Why they blocked people like Kai Lenny and others from using their jet skis and boats to try to bring supplies in.
It cost to rebuild every house in the Maui fire, and it's $5 billion something.
Yeah.
Like that's just like accidental money. But there's no talk of doing that. There's no talk of doing that. Isn't that interesting?
The way
Jesus. Fuck. Oh my gosh, there's a horrible accident. Really? You're just gonna fucking do that? Can't stand people. And then you make me miss the light. Then you run the light. I'm going that fast. Why are people driving like assholes today? Jesus, dude, cop just blows through it right on red. And I just fucking pulled over for that shit. Why is that car smoking? Your car is smoking a little.
Yes, I know. Thank you. I got a slow oil drip.
Okay.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Really? You did not have to swerve that far out.
Get my fudge round tight than a bitch. She ain't had it like this. Toes curling like they throwing gang signs.
That's cool. Sequentials on the tailgate.